I just want to do a really quick little review of this really simplistic tool from Weld-On. It's an easy twist can opener, and you know, when you're working on PVC pipe and you're buying the glue and the cleaner, they always seem to be kind of a pain in you know what to take off sometime. And so this little tool you see here, that's the part number 14550. And again, it's just so simple, but it just works great, and you don't have to use like arc joint pliers or anything on them. And you can also use it, as you see on the right there, it's got a thing if you need to pry a lid off. If it's got a that type of a paint style lid. And it is made from stainless steel. So let's take a look at that. It's got teeth that you can see there are serrated, so it will grip the lid. And then on this end, it has where you can, if you've got the paint can style lid, that you can pry it off. So if we take our glue can, all-purpose cement, I used to always just take like these arc joint pliers and then, you know, hold them, and it just, you know, I don't know, it just it works, but just didn't have the same feel. When I saw this tool, I thought, you know, it's only $4.95. I bought it at Home Depot, just like that, and it squeezes nice, so it squeezes smaller, where arc joint pliers, you can only compress them once that closes to the lid. That's as far as you can go. And then you just take this and you just turn it like that, and it easily takes the lid off.